Imagine securing your entire front door for less than the price of a family dinner. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Blink just made it possible. In this video, I'll show you why the brand new Blink Video Doorbell might be the smartest, most budget-friendly upgrade for your home security in 2025. And trust me, there's one small detail about its design that makes it a total game changer. Blink has just announced the second-generation Blink Video Doorbell, the successor to one of the most popular video doorbells ever. And, true to form, Blink is keeping things simple, affordable, and incredibly easy to set up. For just $59.99 in the US and $49.99 in the UK, you get a doorbell that doesn't need messy wires or complicated installs. It runs on 3 AA lithium batteries paired with the new Blink Sync module core, giving you a massive 2 years of battery life. Basically, once it's installed, you can almost forget about it. But the upgrades don't stop at convenience. This version comes with a 150-degree head-to-toe field of view in a neat one-to-one perspective. That means you're not just seeing your guest's face, you're also seeing the package at their feet. And when the sun goes down, the built-in infrared night vision keeps your feed crisp and clear. One of the most exciting new features? Person detection. Using on-device computer vision, the doorbell can tell the difference between an actual visitor and a swaying tree branch or passing cat. You'll need a Blink subscription to unlock it, but for anyone tired of false alerts, this is a major win. And if you're already in the Alexa ecosystem, the integration is seamless. You can get real-time alerts, talk to visitors with two-way audio, and monitor everything from your Echo devices. Plus, it comes in black or white, so it blends right in with your home. So here's that one small detail I mentioned earlier. This doorbell nails the basics without trying to be flashy. While competitors keep adding features that drive up prices, Blink keeps its focus on what most people actually need: reliability, clarity, and affordability. And that's why at under $60, this might just be the best budget video doorbell you can buy in 2025. If you're building out a home security setup, Blink's ecosystem has you covered. From the Blink Outdoor 4 for your driveway to the mini pan tilt for 360-degree indoor views, all tied together in the same app. At the end of the day, smart home gadgets don't have to be complicated or expensive, and Blink is proving that once again. So, would you consider switching to a budget-friendly doorbell like this, or do you still prefer the high-end options? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home updates.